If your space is small but gets plenty of sunlight, try creating a few of these upside down bottle planters and prepare to be amazed. Take few 2-liter soda bottles. Use a sharp knife or cutter to cut off the base of the bottle about 1 inch above the bottom. Make 2 holes exactly opposite to each other and thread twine through the holes. Slip the thread through the hole and tie a knot. Poke a few additional drainage holes in the bottle for better aeration and drainage. Take a piece of a cloth and make a hole in the center, cut from one side to insert the plant. Take a tomato seedling with a longer leggy stem, remove its bottom leaf to clear the stem. Wrap the cloth around the base as to cover the root ball. Slide your tomato plant through the small mouth of the bottle. Remove any large leaves to make it work with minimal damage. Position the plant with the root ball as close to the top of the bottle as possible. Positioning the root ball near the top will give the roots plenty of space to grow upward. For the soil mix, we will take garden soil and compost in equal proportions. Once the seedling is in, fill the rest of the bottle with the soil mix. Fill the bottle with the soil mix, holding the root ball in place. Keep at least 1 to 2 inch gap between the rim of the bottle and the soil surface for efficient watering. Make sure your planter should hang straight down and not veer off at one angle or another. After planting tomato seedlings, water well. Hang them where they can get direct sunlight. 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight is mandatory for good health.